Hello composers, I hope you're all doing great. For those of you who may not know me, I am Mr. Felipe, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how we're going to work during the process of composing the music for your musical. You will need some materials to work during this process. First, you need a working iPad with GarageBand installed and updated, headphones, or earplugs. So you may be asking yourselves, what is GarageBand? GarageBand is a DAW, digital audio workstation. In other words, it is an app that allows us to record, edit, produce, and share audio files. There's many more DAWs, for example, Logic, Pro Tools, Cubase, and Ableton, which professional musicians use to create music. Now, it is important for you to understand that GarageBand for macOS is not the same than GarageBand for iOS. The iPad version of GarageBand is more user-friendly and more simple to use, and it has also very special features that will help you to do your project. That's why we are requesting you to have an iPad. So the first thing you will want to do is open GarageBand. You will be taken to the main screen. On the upper right corner, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new project. There's many things that we can do in GarageBand. For example, we can create live loops, who will allow us to create some sound effects and crazy electronic tracks. Also, we can work by adding smart instruments, we can even connect some other music apps to our iPad to record more sounds. We can even connect a real guitar, a real bass guitar, or a microphone to make our recordings. It is very important that you update GarageBand to its latest version, and also that you download every single sound library. How do we do it? Well, here's the way. You need to scroll all the way until you find Sound Library. Tap on it to open it, and there you will see all of the sound collection that GarageBand has to offer for free. If you haven't downloaded all or any of these sounds, you will find a red triangle on the upper right corner of every icon which says New. Tap on it and obtain it. Again, it is for free. Once that you have downloaded all of the new GarageBand sounds, tap on OK, and it will take you back to the instrument section. One of the features I like most about GarageBand for iOS is Smart Instruments. Smart Instruments lets us use some instruments like keyboards, guitars, bass guitars, drum set, strings, and even ethnic instruments in a very easy and intuitive way. Let's check an example. If we scroll the screen, we will find the smart instruments: strings, bass guitar, guitar, ethnic instruments, drummer, and keyboard. Tap on Smart Piano, and it will open the Smart Instrument menu for the piano. As you can see, on the middle section we have different chords. The chords are these letters written at the middle of the screen. For example, we have F, C, G, and AM. Remember this because we are going to use them in a short while. Once we are on this screen, we need to set our project. Otherwise, it will be very hard to work with it. The first thing that you need to do is locate the small plus icon that is on the upper right side of your screen and tap it. This is your section menu. If you look closely, you will find that it says by default 8 bars. Tap on it and activate automatic. This allows us to have a bigger song, okay, or a bigger project, a longer project. Tap out, and right above this small plus icon there is a gear or a tool icon. Tap on it and we will open the song or project configuration. Be mindful where to find this. Finally, almost at the upper middle section of your screen, you will find this blue triangle, which is called a metronome. If I tap on it, it will be deactivated. But it is very important that it remains activated. We divide the music in bars, and each bar has beats. Usually we use 3 or 4 beats per bar. So you need to understand that in this case, every 4 beats, we will have a different bar. Actually, if you go on the upper section of your screen, you will see that it is divided and it has some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And these numbers are divided into 4 different sections. Those are the bars and beats. And they are very important because they will allow us to measure our song. Now, GarageBand has a very nice feature which is called autoplay. Around the left middle section of your screen, locate a knob that says autoplay. It has 4 different types of autoplay or auto accompaniment. Choose any of them. You will see that the layout of the chords changes. In this case, for the piano, we have a lower register and an upper register. You can activate them and deactivate them by tapping independently on each one. Or you can activate both of them at the same time by tapping on the letter of the chord. Now, we need to learn some chord combinations. Every single song has a particular chord combination. For example, La Bamba uses only 3 chords in this order: C, F, G, F. I'm going to show you a slide with some chord combinations. I'm going to choose this chord combination: C, G, A, M, change chord on the specific and right time. For example, we can change chords every 4 beats. If one clap is 1 beat, we will change every time we count 4 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna count out loud. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, counting out loud can sometimes be difficult. That's why we use the metronome. Remember the blue triangle? We are going to use the record buttons that are on the upper middle section of your screen. The red button begins and stops the recording. The rewind button on the left will take you back to the beginning of the song, and the play button will reproduce whatever you have recorded. To record the harmonic sequence, we will pre-activate the beginning chord, in this case C. I'm gonna change chord every 8 beats. We will pre-activate our chord and then press the record button. This will give us 4 beats before it begins to record. For this example, I will change chords every 8 beats. Check it out. As you can see, there is a green bar on the screen. That is the sounds that we recorded. If we want to hear them, we only need to press the play button. And now we can listen to what we have recorded. You should try harmonic sequences that I showed you before. Try to set a new project. Remember, arrange the sections so that they are automatic. Check your tempo, bar and key signature. Choose a smart keyboard, and then record a harmonic sequence. I hope you really like this video and that you also find it useful. During the next weeks, we will continue learning about the process of recording for our song for the play. Until next time, see you soon!